How to create music folder on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open File Manager on your device. In File Manager, you will find Storage at the bottom. Simply click on Storage at the bottom. Then, click on Internal Storage. After you click on Internal Storage, you will find this kind of screen. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you will find all these options pop up. Click on New Folder at the top. After you click on New Folder, simply create a name. You can type in My Music or Music and press on OK. After you've done that, your folder will be created. You can add all your audio files in here, and this is how to create music folder on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.